Hey guys, how's it going? My name is j-statik and this is Static Sessions. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the different types of click tracks. So click tracks or metronomes, really simply, they're usually built into your DAW. So when you click on the metronome, which would just be a symbol, so we'll turn over into Ableton. If I just press this button up here, which is the two dots, that's the metronome. If I play it in a blank area, you'll hear the click come in. And it follows the BPM of your song. So what we're going to quickly do is, for the song where we recorded guitars, if you notice in the area where I was mixing down the guitars, I was trying to bring the guitars back on beat a little bit just because they were sliding in and out of beat. That could be due to latency, that could be due to just poor audio quality, it could be due to anything. But one thing that I know can help fix that is by increasing the amount of clicks that are happening per beat. Right now this is one click per beat, or one beep, or one metronome per beat. So what we're going to do is, if you turn into Ableton, you'll see the number beside the metronome, and it says 4/4. So that's every beat, every 4 beats. There's going to be a click on every beat for every 4 beats. And on the top of the bar, it'll be this higher note beat. So I'll play that for you guys so you can hear it. So the first note's going to be like a high pitched sound, and you're going to hear 3 of them. So what we want to do is increase this number to the right, and if I do it to 8, you're going to hear a click between every beat as well. Now having that can really help a guitarist or a percussionist be more on beat, because those intricate notes in between while they're doing the guitar chords, or if a percussionist is coming in and playing dol or dolki, there are a lot of intricate notes that are being played, and that helps them stay on beat with those notes. So definitely something to take into account, learning how to play with the metronome and being able to control the volume of the metronome. And sometimes even putting a click which is in the same key as the song you're playing in can really help the individual as well. That's it on metronomes, really simple. Just wanted to get that out there because it's something that can go a long way for your recordings. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little bell for future notifications on the next videos coming up. Until then, see you guys soon.